Hello guys, let me show you how to customize button functions on your Garmin Enduro 2 watch, so let's get started. Firstly, we need to open settings by pressing and holding this menu button on the middle of the screen. And now we just need to scroll down till we appear in the settings, and right here choose System tab. And now we need to choose option hotkeys. And right here we will be able to customize buttons functions. So for example, for start button, we can choose alarm clock. This is the start button, so let's press and hold it and see the alarm. So now we can do the same for the hold back button right here on the bottom of the screen. We can choose, for example, pulse. So let me show you. Let's press this button, and now we are in a pulse. Great. You can do the same for each of buttons, just customize it according to your preferences. And that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.